to take a bunch of pictures around here. Can we take this for the memories?
Dude.
Can take this for
That's from the car?
Especially the 300 hour, your insurance got that.
It was just on first impression, like, oh, you have a BMW and there's a bunch of fucking skid marks everywhere. Probably thought
Yeah.
Well, boys,
Bias. And
super nice though. Who's the Steven of this place?
huh?
This guy right here.
What?
What this?
Yeah? Uh-huh. No, that's Luis.
Everyone in here is bigger than you, pussy.
Nah, everyone here is smaller than me. What are we gonna eat, dude?
Okay. Why does one we win each other with just you buying it?
Oh, there you go. Hi, you can buy it. Huh?
It's probably these $5 each, haha.
Are they actually $5? Yeah, bro.
I'll actually play that.
Where's Jesse? Where's the homie?
Dude, where's your best friend? Wow.
So, Chili's? Let's go to a cool restaurant? Let's go to Crave Cafe?
I don't want to go to a restaurant, dumbass. The guy literally looks like Luis. The worker literally looks like Luis. The worker literally looks like Luis. Which guy? Blue one. Don't you already have the gears? You have the gears up. Get these right here. Yeah, get these. These are really good.
Get that shit, you're too fucking broke. You can't afford this.
What?
Okay.
Find the blue one. Find the blue one. Find the cool blue one.
Oh, but ew.
Oh my god.
What?
Sorry, you didn't wear gym shorts.
Oh yeah, sorry. I gotta get my young elation, man.
Dude, what if someone from like Young and Late, the fucking founder of Young and Late's here, and he sees you in that shit?
I'll take it off.
And he's like, oh, I'm actually gonna respond to you.
Hey, champ. Hey, champ. You came out of the house. Came out of the house.
I didn't ask to be recording.
No,
I
not
didn't
too
ask to be,
bad.
why is it recording? I asked to be recording.
Sex. Whoa.
Give a choke.
Yeah. Oh, there's so many girls here, Ricky. Wow.
Adeline, we're hanging out with Adeline. Being a Ricky, say shitty Ricky.
Do it. Whoa.
At that time you kidnapped me to go to LA. Now
Whoa.
we're going to job. The Apple car.
He's gotta move forward here.
Dude, imagine the truck. It's like, it's more close to his house. No, but I'm trying to think like. Why are we? Actually. Do they have. Yeah.
NANI?
A nice cold cup.
Huh?
True, because Luis never comes to Palmdale.
What?
Never comes to Palmdale.
Alright, we'll pick you up in 5 minutes.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm recording that! Yeah! I have to bleep that out. Whoa.
Go to Ross.
Go to Ross?
Ross?
Okay.
Alright. We'll be there in.
Like 5, we'll be like, you know, where are you? Are you at work? Yeah, you're gonna have to leave Worm right now.
Dude, don't tell me you called out.
No, I didn't work today.
You didn't work tonight?
No? Wait, did you just get to work?
No, I started at 6 to close.
Oh, okay, well then that means you can hang out with us right now.
No, I'm busy.
What are you doing?
Doing.
What are you
And you
doing?
better not be playing Battlefield.
Yeah, shitty Battlefield.
Was that Johnson? No.
It's Luis.
Oh, that's Luis. Well, too bad Luis lied to me about the Series X being at a store, but whatever.
What do you mean? No, I told you.
It's literally there's.
Just throw it up.
John?
John.
I heard that.
I see you scoping up there.
God's plan.
I'll take that shit. I'm gonna fuck. How's it dirty, motherfucker? You want to touch my
my jaw.
Jesse.
What?
Can you sing the song?
Which
Eat that shit, Steven. Eat that shit, Steven. Ew, man. Matt, you took my fucking drink. Andre Kirby, that shit. Ew, you took my drink. Okay. I'm gonna piss on you. Hey Ricky, where are you? Why are you texting me, Ricky? Where's the lean at? Where's the prep drink? Where's the code?
Whoa!
Dude, I don't want to see this. Where did Ricky go?
Now where did Ricky go? You know?
shitty chicken?
Doritos are more lemon Lays.
No, these are just chicken.
These are still good.
Dude, where's the fucking anti-masker?
Dude, we should get this. I think so. Destination 2.0.
From Reddit, please.
Hey, what's up? Wait, what?
I said, can you go get forks from Reddit, please?
You got me. I'm in traffic. You gotta go there yourself.
Haha, we here.
Go pick up the fucking fork.
No, you.
No, bitch, you. We're stuck in traffic. We're not moving.
No, you. We have to help Paso or something.
You have to help us. Nutsack. Go. Ricky drives. You help him.
Hey,
I'm not. Nah. All right. I'll get the force if I get to drive Ricky's car. No. Gabby calls you a feminine bitch. Gabby, when she sees, she's like, oh my god, female bitch. No. Patty's mine. No, Gabby and Patty are every single day. No. They call you small. You're a small little bitch. No. Hi, John, you're small. Ha, Ricky's bigger than you. Ha. Hi, you're.
Please leave your message for
Alright, boys.
69. If you have your club card, please scan it now. 409. How used today? Your total is elect your payment now. Please wait. Instructions on the pin pad.
Whoa!
Gay!
Whoa.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, so we're gonna have sex with spooky people. So, okay, what the? Alright, you little burger
These
place?
are fucking good. Everybody likes
You know what? Honestly, I would just drink this. You know, just.
Drink it, man. It's a good idea. What the? Oh, you're not vlogging.
I'll give you the bread when you come back to when we come back.
He's like, what? Huh? What do you guys think of the res? Dude, I'm low-key scared of them peeing in my car. That's like my biggest fear. That they're just kind of like pee in my car. Anyway, so update. Let me just turn it because I don't want to get copyrighted. But anyways, update. So our car is fixed now. Well, kind of. It's like, so it doesn't look damaged anymore, which is the great thing. That's super cool. There's still like little like internal stuff that I gotta fix around and change, but I'll get to that. You know, obviously it's just a lot of money. It's a color oof. But right now, today, what we have planned is we're gonna be having Friendsgiving. So I'm gonna be, I guess, filming that because it's something to film. You know, what? What's wrong? What? It's okay. It's okay. We wait for this idiot.
Ugly.
No, I mean, who the fuck is gonna look at the bottom of the pants?
You can definitely tell.
Or inside.
And they just be like fucking.
No. Anyways, hold up. I have a lot of stuff in my hand. Well, not really. Anyways, so as you guys know, it is a brand new day, and I never really. Turns out I didn't film enough stuff, so we gotta film more stuff. But it is currently 5 o'clock, and I woke up about an hour ago. So let's just say my sleep schedule is completely fucked, 100%. But speaking on that, as you can see, Young LA, Young Law, Young Law. Now, Steven, are you sponsored by Young LA? No, but you know, you guys can help that happen by just tagging them, just email them, say, hey, Silent Low Oof, he's like the greatest guy on the planet. But on a real note, I do want to say thank you guys so much for everyone who did use my code on Black Friday. You guys are amazing. You guys honestly have helped me out a lot. Like, dude, you have no idea how much that genuinely does help me when you guys do use my code. Because as you guys know, I still, you know, work a 9-to-5 job. I can't really rely on internet, social media just to live off of it. So when you guys do use my code, it does tremendously help. So thank you guys so much. I don't have a tripod. Sorry about that. I can't afford to buy one right now. But what I've been taking every single morning, the moment I wake up, it's simple. So I take 3 of these, Exterminate. Honestly, this just makes me not want to eat food throughout the whole day. And when I ever, like, in the past few days when I've been binge eating, I have not gained any weight. So it could just be because of this. Don't quote me on that. Equisterone, I take it as well. Honestly, I've been very happy since my whole injury that happened a week ago, half an ago. I've been feeling pretty good. I owe it to this. And then Exterminate. Honestly, this just makes me just not want to eat in the moment. And if you do take it, you might feel a little nauseous. That's kind of the effect of it because you're not gonna want to eat food if you're nauseous. So overall, yeah, I take all these 3 every single day. The first thing I do when I wake up. Honestly, it has helped me look pretty lean, get pretty strong, look a little bit better. So if you guys do want to use it, link in bio, Cola Oof. It does help me out so much. Anyways, I'm gonna go right now, have my first meal of the day at 5 p.m. And what is that? I don't know. I might go train right now actually as well, or I might go with my friends, either or. I really don't fucking know.
I'm tired of feeling comatose. I've lost the me that I love most. I'm barely holding on to smoke. I'm barely holding on to smoke. But I'm not clean. Why do I do this to myself on repeat? So disconnected from my own reality. Am I man or machine? If I give, will you take? As I lie for the taste, I just fuck it up. Then you laugh it up. The flesh and bone, I walk alone. If I run, will I fade away? 'Cause I don't wanna leave it behind. In all my pride, all my shame, I find strength enough to show you. I may bend, but I won't break. 'Cause I define who I, define who I become. I'm just a me that I have not met. Choking in silence on the words left unsaid. I feel a sickness for a whole